Hey guys, it's Ara, and today I'm filming a makeup collection. It has been 1 year since I posted our last one, and our makeup collection has grown exponentially. We have so much new makeup that we want to play with and create so many looks for you guys. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Question of the day is, what's your favorite makeup product? And let's just get straight into the video. We store all of our makeup in this 1x4 calyx system, and then we bought 4 drawer inserts, and then we store all of our makeup in here. Okay, so in here we have all of our foundations, concealers, so all of our complexion products, our primers, and then back here we have our setting powders. So some of the foundations and concealers we have include like Revlon, L'Oreal. We also have some Sephora brand. We have e.l.f. And then we also have Bioderma. And some of my favorite brands include Nude by Nature. This one's a little messy because I spilled product all over it. And then we also have Tarte in here. I can't seem to see it, but we do have Tarte. As for primers, we also have Nude by Nature again, First Aid Beauty, Benefit Cosmetics. And then as for some drugstore ones that we love, we have e.l.f. in here. e.l.f.'s always great. Lise Wattier, and we also have Too Faced down there. And then as for setting powders, Nude by Nature again, CoverGirl, great one. And then we also have It Cosmetics. And then we just have some powder puffs and some beauty blenders. So that's our first drawer. Our next drawer consists of blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. So we have a bunch of different blushes. So we have some stick blushes. This one is by Serafine. We have NYX. We have Maybelline. Then we have some putty highlighters. This one's by MAC. Then we have some powder ones. Color Workshop. We have Tarte, Ofra, Milani. We have Milk Cosmetics in here. Just a ton of blushes. Also, this one's Benefit. We actually have a few Benefit ones. As for highlighters, we have Pure Cosmetics. This is actually a beautiful shade. Really like this shade. So Pure, we have Ofra. This mini palette by Elizabeth Arden. Looks like this. And then we have Maybelline in here again, When Wild. Back here we have all of our bronzers. So we have a few Hoola bronzers back here, Pure Cosmetics again. We have Butter Bronzer. This one's my all-time favorite. And then we also have an e.l.f. palette down there. Next are our brow products, mascaras, and lash products. So as for brows, we have Anastasia, Beverly Hills. We have Essence. These are also eyeliners, so Ciate London, Benefit Cosmetics, e.l.f. Just got a whole bunch of products in here. Lise Wattier. Yeah, just literally everything. As for mascaras, again, we have so many. We have Nude by Nature, Milk, Smashbox. What are these? Oh, we have 2 Smashboxes. CoverGirl, Too Faced, Ico, Mary Kay, Tarte. Literally so many mascaras. And then as for lashes, we have Kuo, Kiss lashes. These are Pure lashes. More Pure lashes back here. And then we just have like essentially just like glues and products to apply lashes. So that's that drawer. So next is a very hectic drawer. This is our lip drawer, and it used to be organized as lip products, lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and then lip glosses, but it's literally overflowing now, so it's kind of just jumbled together. But as for some of our lip products, we got a bunch from The Body Shop. We have Korres in here. I don't even know what that brand is. EOS, Lip Smacker. And then we also have MAC Cosmetics, Nivea, just kind of the basic brands. As for lipsticks, a handful of them are from Revlon. Then we got a bunch of Body Shop, Pixie, Sephora, Pure Cosmetics. This is actually a really pretty shade. There we go. Like, isn't that so pretty? Then we got NYX, Estee Lauders in here. Yeah, we just have so much makeup in here, New York color. And then back here, as for lip glosses, we have Fenty Beauty. This one by Pure Cosmetics, Lights Up. Mary Kay's in there. Hello Neon. I know we have Tarte in there. Nude by Nature. Yep, bunch. Now we move on to everyone's favorite part, which is eye palettes. So here we just have 2 brush sets. They're just by AOA Studios, and they're the exact same, just in different colors. So this one's pink, and then we also have a black set. And then we have this beautiful brand new palette by Pure Cosmetics. I love the shades in this palette. Just, yeah, they're beautiful. We have, obviously, one of my most used palettes, the James Charles X Morphe palette. I love this palette again. Great colors. You can literally come up with any look with these. We got Shany palette. Just a whole bunch of colors. The Morphe palette. This one I've had for so long, I think since I first started makeup. But there's still so many colors in here that are so useful. And then lastly, it's this e.l.f. palette. So in here we have even more eye palettes, but they're organized into medium, small palettes, and then single shadows. So as for small palettes, we have CoverGirl. We have 2 Smashbox palettes, which are great for traveling. There we go. We have this Kuo one, which is for eyebrows. The Sephora one. This is like an evening night one. Oh, this very little quad. Again, great for traveling. And then this e.l.f. one. As for single shadows, we just have a bunch of brands. We have the Balm Cosmetics. We have Shades and Shane. Again, Balm Cosmetics. I lied. This is not Balm Cosmetics. This is Laura Sanchez. Then we have e.l.f., Mary Kay, Naked Cosmetics, Oiza. Yep. And then as for our medium palettes, we have this Tarte one. We've had this one again for a while, but it's just such beautiful shades that you can always come back to it. Pure Cosmetics, Be Your Selfie, a great everyday shadow palette. NYX Ultimate Brights, everyone has this, tried and true. This one, I love this one. I got it in the States. It's by Profusion, I want to say Revolution. Yeah, Revolution. And then we have some Morphe palettes. Just really basic palettes. But, yeah. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup drawer. So I have some makeup wipes ready to grab. I have a moisturizer. This is the Glam Glow Make It Illuminating Moisturizer. And then I have some thermal water, La Roche-Posay, e.l.f. I also usually have my Urban Decay All-Nighters setting spray in here, but it's currently somewhere else. And then I have all my everyday products. So I have the lip balm by Drunk Elephant, Dior Iconic Show in the color brown. I have 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Actually, I have a bunch of products by Benefit. Stila Cosmetics Cream Blush, Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty, They're Real by Benefit, MAC Cosmetics Lip Scrub, Nude Beauty lip gloss, and then a Lise Wattier, what's this called? Lip pencil. But, yeah. Okay, this drawer is something else. This is our Overflow skincare. Yeah. Okay, so we have a whole bunch in here. We have K Cosmetics, we have Dr. Robux. This is actually a great brand. We have Drunk Elephant in here, Vichy, Bioderma, Laneige Cosmetics. I love them again. We have micellar water, more thermal water. First Aid Beauty's in here, Tarte Cosmetics, Rose Posay, more La Rose Posay. We literally just have so many products in here. It just overflow. We also have some nail polish. Yep. More Laneige, La Rose Posay. But yeah. And guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is one of my favorite videos to film and watch just because I love seeing what products people love and what I should buy personally myself. Just a mini disclaimer, guys. All this makeup was either gifted or we bought it ourselves, and no way are we trying to brag. By watching this video, you're just watching the makeup products that we love to use. And yeah, so peace!